It's known as 88 keys. "88 keys" refers to the keys on a piano. And I remember being taught this philosophy and way of life with communication with one of my music teachers. And I went to a vocal teacher not to learn singing, but rather to learn how to speak more effectively. And she said, "Vin, a piano has 88 keys and your voice is even more beautiful than this instrument right in front of me." And here's what I want to share with you. Right now, you're very comfortable playing the keys you currently play with. During this workshop, I'm going to push you. I'm going to get you to do things with your voice that you've never done before. And I'm going to even push you even further than, maybe play in the falsetto range and have a bit of fun. And I know I sound like Mickey Mouse when I do this. My son loves it. And I might even get you to try a really deep and dark voice and play. And when I ask you to do this, something happens in your brain straight away. Where the moment I push you out of the keys that feel comfortable, you'll go, "Vin, thank you, but that makes me feel a little bit fake and phony." I mean, how is it fake and phony? You were able to make the sound. It's not fake or phony. It's your instrument, it's your keys. It's not fake and phony. So the moment your brain goes to fake and phony and inauthentic, stop that straight away. Reframe it immediately. It's not fake and phony. You're just familiar with these keys. You're just unfamiliar with these keys. That's all. So please note that. It's just familiar, unfamiliar. So the moment your brain, anytime it wants to go to inauthentic, I don't want to try that. That doesn't feel right for me. Stop it, reframe. It's just unfamiliar to me, that's all.